Dear students, now let us learn the reinforcement calculation of RCC slab. This is the given calculation, given question. Work out the quantity of concrete and the reinforcement in a two-way slab for the given detail. Size of room is given 5 by 4 meter. Thickness of the slab is 150 mm. Reinforcement details are all diameters are 12 mm and they are at the distance of 150 mm center to center in both the directions. Alternate bars are cranked. Clear cover at the top and bottom are 25 mm. Development length is 45 times the diameter of the bar. This is required in case of slab reinforcement calculation. And also they have given this diagram. You can observe this is the shorter direction, that is shorter span 4 meter, and this is the longer dimension, that is 5 meter. Thickness of the slab 150 mm, 12 mm diameter at 150 mm center to center. Both the directions it is same. You can observe each alternate bar is cranked 2 times at 2 places. Alternate bars are cranked on both the directions. First, let us work out the easiest calculation, that is the concrete part. They have given it is M20. You can observe the support slab thickness is not given. Support is not given. Support thickness is not given. Let us assume it to be 200 mm. So to get the total length of the slab, we need to add 200 mm 2 times. That comes to around 5400 mm. So it will be 5.4 meter. Similarly, on the shorter span direction, 4000 mm plus 200 that comes to 4.4 meters. Depth of the slab they have given 150 mm. Please make the change. This is 0.15. So the quantity will be 5.4 by 4.4 by 0.15. Please make this change. If you calculate that, you will get 3.56 meter cube. This quantity of the slab will be 3.56 cubic meter. Please change. This is a printing mistake. Now let us see the important part, that is the reinforcement calculation. Let us do the calculation first for the longer direction. We have straight bars as well as the bent up bar. First, let us find the length of straight bars. To find that, in case of slab, this is the formula. L is equal to clear span, that is face to face, wall face to face distance, plus 2 times the development length. 2 times the development length. This development length will be given in the question. If not, assume it to be 45 times the diameter. So it will be 5,000. We are working in longer direction. So it will be 5,000 plus 2 times of 45 times the diameter of the bar. Diameter of the bar here is 12 mm. So it comes to 6080 mm, that is 6.08 meter. To find the length of bent up bar, this length should be added with cranked length. Since alternate bars, each bar is cranked in 2 places, it should be 2 times of 0.42 times of D. This D calculation is similar to beam calculation. That is, total depth of the beam is 150 minus 2 times the cover 25 mm minus half the diameter of bar on either side, that is minus 12 by 2 minus 12 by 2, here directly taken as minus 12. So D comes to around 88 mm. So substitute the value of D in this formula, you will get L, that is 6.15 meter. Now we need to calculate how many bars are there in the longer direction. We have already assumed the support thickness to be 200 mm. So considering the same here, To find out the number of bars in the longer direction, you have to use the shorter direction distance, shorter span distance, that is 4400 meter, mm, minus 2 times the cover divided by spacing plus 1. Always it should be done. Why we have to consider 4400 means we are working in this direction. To get the number of bars, we need this direction, so that the bars will be divided, the bars will be spaced in this direction. So if you work out that, you will get 30 number of bars. Since alternate bars are cranked and alternate bars are straight, you can divide it into two equally. So 15 number of bars will be straight and another 15 will be cranked. Similar calculation you have to do in the shorter direction. To find the length of straight bar, 4000 plus 2 times the development length, you will get 5.08. Similarly, bent up bars, add for this. Kindly make the change here. Length of straight bar will be 5.08 meter. While calculating the length of bent up bar, the same thing should be taken here. That is 5080 plus 2 times the 0.42 times of D. D calculation we have already done here, that we have got 88. The same thing we have taken here. So this comes to 5.15. Instead of 4, you have to replace this with 5. So this will be 5.15 meter. Kindly make the change. So to find the number of bars in the shorter direction, take the length of the longer span, that is 5400, including the support thickness, minus 2 times the cover, 25 plus 1. Spacing is 150, so you will get 36.67. We can round it off to 37. Since it is an odd number, you have to round it off to next even number. In these cases, where you have alternate bars cranking, there will be equal number of cranked and straight bars. So you will get 38 numbers. Out of that, 19 will be straight and 19 will be bent up bars. So this is the table for the reinforcement calculation, same as that of beam. So along the longer direction, straight bars are 12 mm diameter, 15 numbers, length is 6.08. Weight per meter, you can calculate using the density of the steel and area of diameter of the bar. You will get 0.89 for 12 mm diameter bars. So if you calculate number, if you multiply number, length and weight, you will get this in kgs, weight of the steel in kgs. Similarly, for the bent up bars, 12 mm dia, 15 numbers, length will be more than this, 6.15. So 0.89 and you will get this. Similarly, in the shorter direction, straight bars will be 12 mm diameter, 19 numbers, length 5.08, and length of bent up bar will be, here it is written clearly 5.15, but here you have to change, it is 5.15. So same thing, add everything in this column, you will get the total weight of the steel in kgs which is required to construct this slab. This is about the reinforcement detail of RCC slab, two-way slab. Thank you.